Hey, this is Spot On. I'm Sabine from Porsche, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can personalize your experience with your vehicle.
Check it out.
You will need Active Connect services and an active Porsche ID account, which you can create on the My Porsche website. To experience the personalization features of your Porsche, you need to be logged in with your Porsche ID. Your Porsche ID is your unique account, which allows your vehicle to remember you and your preferred settings every time you enter your Porsche. After you're logged in, you can personalize a wide variety of systems in your Porsche. A few examples are your favorite radio stations, your navigation settings, climate control, and your seat, steering wheel, and mirror positions. A majority of the settings are automatically stored for the currently active profile. When a different driver takes the wheel, the settings for the new driver can be updated with a corresponding Porsche ID. You can activate up to 5 accounts in the vehicle. If you delete your account from the vehicle, the corresponding settings will also be deleted. Customers without a Porsche ID can register as a guest user. Please note that your current logged-in Porsche ID is saved on the car key when you leave the car. If you have 2 Porsche ID accounts, a main and a secondary user, who are regularly driving the car, we recommend using different keys for each user. This ensures that the correct profile and your personalized settings is loaded when you enter your Porsche. The memory buttons in the door panels are not linked to your Porsche ID. With the memory buttons, you can save seat, mirror and steering column settings anytime and retrieve them again by pressing the buttons no matter which profile is active. See you in the next video.